Alright, I'm a little bit further along with the engine rebuild. I'm doing the tear down only right now. Have a look. I've honed all these cylinder walls right here. And this engine was locked up. It was seized because it was sat outside with the water in it. This is the only cylinder that I haven't done yet. And you can see the difference in the shine between them. Yeah, good drop in the camera. Alright, anyway, this is how you hone. Alright, and when it's all said and done, this here will be shiny as the rest of them. And these weren't even wiped out yet. This still has just some lightweight oil that I sprayed inside, but you can see the dirt that comes out of the inside, and this is all rust. It was so rusty that I'll show you the pistons that came out. yeah, dude. They're so gummed up and nasty. They don't even there's hardly no flex there. Yeah, it's real stiff. So anyways, you get the idea. They were all really bad, rusted up. I can't even turn these. These are stuck. So, you get the idea. Anyways, appreciate you watching.